Thanks for joining me for another teen unboxing. And let's see what we have in new this month. Rent a Boyfriend by Gloria Chow. You Know I'm No Good by Jessie Ann Foley. A Golden Fury by Samantha Coe. Come On In, 15 Stories About Immigration and Finding Home, edited by Addie Alsaid. Poisoned by Jennifer Donnelly. Alazzo by Darcy Little Badger. The Mirror Broken Wish by Julie C. Dow. Beautiful Wild by Anna Godberson. This Is All Your Fault by Amina May Safi. Daughters of Jubilation by Kara Lee Corthron. Beyond the Ruby Veil by Mara Fitzgerald. Nemesis and the Swan by Lindsay K. Bandy. And our last book is The Puppet Master's Apprentice by Lisa Dessum. And that's it for this month, friends. Thank you for joining me, and tune in again next month for another teen unboxing.